Hi, here we will see the Electrical Machines Lab 2 Experiment 4 Load Test on Single Phase Induction Motor. Aim of the experiment: to conduct load test on a given single phase induction motor and plot the following characteristics. First one, BHP versus slip, BHP versus efficiency, BHP versus power factor, torque versus speed. Next, operators required. The following operators are required to conduct the experiment. The operators are mentioned in the tabular column with the range, type and quantity. So this is the circuit diagram for load test on single phase induction motor. Next, procedure. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Measure and note down the circumference of breakdown by using cotton thread. Spring balances S1 and S2 are kept in zero output position by operating the adjustment wheel T1 and T2. By keeping the auto transformer voltage in zero output position, the supply switch S1 is closed. Vary the auto transformer voltage gradually and apply the rated voltage of induction motor up to 230 volts. The no load readings of all meters and speed are noted down in the tabular column. The induction motor is loaded gradually by tightening the belt till the rated current. At each load, all the meters and speed readings are noted down. To stop the motor, the load is removed, belt is loosened. The auto transformer voltage is reduced to its initial zero output position. The supply switch S1 is opened. So this is the procedure of the experiment. So here we will see the experiment demonstration. Circuit diagram. So connection should be connected. So switch on the main supply and by adjusting the auto transformer, set the rated voltage. So rated voltage is 30 volts. Note down the speed of the induction motor by using tachometer. Motor is the no load position. So that's what both the loads are zero. And note down the voltage and power current in the tabular column. Next, vary the load on the induction motor. Vary the load on the induction motor. Note down the speed of the induction motor by tachometer. And similarly, note down the ammeter, wattmeter, voltmeter readings on the induction motor. And calculate the torque, power, efficiency by using formulas. Next, set the load on the induction motor. To meet the zero position for the weight balance, bring back the auto transformer to zero position. Switch off the main supply. So calculate the torque, output power, efficiency. This is the demonstration of the experiment. So values are noted down in this tabular column. Next, calculations we have to made by using this formulas. So these are the model graphs: torque versus speed, bhp versus cos pi, power factor, efficiency, slip. So these are the graphs we got from this experiment. Result of the experiment. Thus following characteristic curves are obtained for given experiment: efficiency versus bhp, speed versus torque, bhp versus torque. So these are the expected viva questions from this experiment. I request you all prepare answers for these questions. Thank you everyone.